Now question of the day, how can you determine area of shaded portion? Okay, look here very carefully. Simply, if you focus on that one, basically written A, that one is B, and that one is C. So first of all, area of that portion. Okay, so triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is how much? Half into, what about base? Here all are box corresponding squares, so each side is how much? 4 centimeters. So 4 4 4 4. So how much? 4 plus 4 plus 4 4 plus 4, that is 16. 16 into height is 4. So what about that value? 16 into 2, that is 32 centimeter square. Clear? So area of that unshaded portion is how much? 32 centimeter square. And that name is, suppose that is D, here E, and that is F. Okay, so triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to AFC, triangle AFC. Clear? So but our target determine area of that portion. First of all, determine area of that portion, means right now here area of ACDEA is written as area of, what about area? Simply you can say that if you determine area of that portion, so simply you can say that area of that portion, okay, area of ABCF minus area of that portion, okay, area of ABC minus area of AFE. Clear? So that one is rectangle, and 4 into how much? 16. 4 into 16 minus, what about area of that portion? Simply we got how much? 32. And what about area of that one? So here 4, here 4. So minus half into 4 into 4. So finally that is 48 minus 32 and minus, what about that value? 8. So we got how much? 8. Okay, sorry, 64. That is simply, that one is 64 plus 64 basically. Okay, so 40 minus 64, sorry, 64 minus 40 is how much? That is 24. Clear? 24 centimeter square. So area of that portion is how much? 24 centimeter square, but our target area of that whole portion, so it means area of that portion also adding here. So finally you can write now here that one 24 centimeter square plus, what about area of that portion? If you see, what about the here to here length? 4, no, 8 centimeter, and here what about that area, that length? 8 centimeter. Okay, because 4 plus 4, 8. So 1 by 2 into 8 into 8. So 24 plus 2 4 ja, what, 2 4 into 8, 32. So 32 plus 32 plus 24, simply 4 plus 2 is how much? 6, and 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So 56 centimeter square is the right answer. Make it.